Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. Today's video I'm going to show you how I fit my RC along with all its components into this backpack. This backpack comes in handy. I used to carry my drones in here, and now I've been using it to carry my RC car along with all my camera equipment. So this is how I get my backpack situated to go out and film a video or just go drive my RC car in general. Take my car, place her in there, get her all squared away, tuck the antenna in. They're going to take all of our camera accessories. I got tape. Tape is good to put the flashlight on top if you're driving at nighttime. We'll toss tape in there. Tripod we'll toss on just one of the sides right here. Fit her in there just like that. We'll go ahead and toss in phone clamp for the tripod, GoPro mounts, GoPro screws, extra screws and bolts for the GoPro. We got my RC, my drone controller, my DJI controller, not my RC controller, this is my drone controller. We'll go ahead and fit that in there somewhere like that. Let's go ahead and adjust the tape a little bit. There we go. And then I got my flashlight that I usually tape on top of the, there you go. It's a good little flashlight. It's old. I've dropped it plenty of times. It's been through hell and back, so, you know, I'm surprised it still even works. But yeah, that's pretty much how I get my RC ready to go. Toss her in there. We're gonna go ahead and zip her up. I like to carry my drone in this top part. Go ahead and make sure all the blades are facing a certain way. And carefully toss her in there. She's kind of durable. You zip that up like that. Flip her up. And that's that. This pocket you can put, as I knock over my mouse there, this pocket you can put extra batteries in there. I got all these batteries charged up. We can go ahead and toss those batteries in there. I toss my GoPro in there. Stickers, SD cards, whatever you need. Zip that up. And I like to hook the remote up to the side of the backpack. These straps really come in handy. This backpack comes in handy. Boom, and we're ready. We are ready to go. And that's everything. I hope you guys liked the video. Hit that thumbs up. If you're new, please consider subscribing below, and I'll see you next time.